How to prepare your fridge for long-term shutdown.
Hello there. In this video, we're going to discuss the steps you need to take to properly prepare your refrigerator for an extended shutdown. Whether you're going away for a few months or your fridge needs to be turned off for a long period, it's important to prepare it properly to prevent unpleasant odors, mold growth, or potential damage.
Why do you need to prepare your fridge?
First off, let's understand why we need to prepare the fridge. Fridges are made to be always on. If you just turn off the fridge without any preparation, you're likely to come back to a smelly, moldy mess. Also, leaving water in the appliance could potentially damage its parts. So, it's crucial to follow a few steps to prepare it for a shutdown.
Removing the food.
The first step in preparing your refrigerator is to remove all food items. Perishable items can spoil and create a bad smell, while non-perishable items can attract pests. Don't forget to check all the drawers, shelves, and door pockets.
Cleaning the fridge.
After you have removed all the food items, it's time to clean your fridge thoroughly. Start by removing the shelves and drawers. Clean these parts with warm soapy water and dry them completely. Then, clean the inside of the fridge using a mixture of water and baking soda. It's great for removing odors. Make sure to dry it completely to prevent any mold from growing.
Unplugging and leaving the doors open.
Now that the fridge is clean and dry, you can unplug it from the power source. It's a crucial step to conserve energy and ensure safety. After unplugging, prop the fridge doors open. This will allow air to circulate and prevent odors from building up. You might want to use a towel or a piece of cloth to keep the doors slightly open.
Protecting the exterior.
The final step is to protect the exterior of your fridge, especially if you're not going to be around. You can cover it with a cloth or a fridge cover to protect it from dust and scratches. However, ensure the cover doesn't block the doors from staying slightly open. And that's how you prepare your refrigerator for a long-term shutdown. By following these steps, you can keep your fridge clean, fresh, and ready for use when you need it again. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Safe travels, or best of luck with your fridge maintenance.